Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to remove the background of an image using Canva. So first go to Canva website. If you go to home, you will see something like this button, remove background. So click on it, and so after you click the remove background, you will see something like this. So if you don't have an image in Canva account, you have to upload the image. So I click on upload files, and I have to select the file. I select this file and click upload. You can see the upload in progress here, and now it uploaded, and select that file and click next. Now you can see it removing the background. So now as you can see, it removed the background of this image. So let's see how to download this. So click share, and so in here you can copy the link and share it with someone else. So you can see, select this option, see all, and you can see there are a bunch of options to share the image, and I select download, and you can even limit the file size, and compress or transparent background, or you can do any of these things, and click download after selecting the option. And now it downloaded. So let's see that image. As you can see, it removed the background. So if you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So see you in the next video.